Not sure how to use your Whirlpool AC Remote? Model number DG11D1/10. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Whirlpool AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The jet button activates the AC's powerful quick cooling or quick heating mode. When pressed, the unit runs at maximum fan speed and airflow to rapidly reach the desired temperature in a short time. The sixth sense button automatically senses the room temperature and adjusts the cooling or heating, fan speed, and airflow for optimal comfort. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The favorite button allows you to save your preferred settings, such as mode, temperature, and fan speed. Pressing it recalls those exact settings instantly, giving you quick access to your ideal comfort setup. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Whirlpool AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.